Here's how I fixed the water-damaged bubbly veneer on my nightstand to make it look brand new again. First, I grabbed an exacto knife and I carefully cut along the wood grain over the bubbles. You want to make sure to cut deep enough to get to the bottom of the veneer to remove any of the trapped moisture or air. I then put a damp cloth over the table and gently ironed it. This helps remelt the glue under the veneer, settling it back into place. You can remove the cloth to check your progress. You may need to repeat the first few steps in order to get your desired results. Once the table cooled down, I sanded off the rest of the finish with 120 grit. I use quick wood epoxy to cover up some of the crumbling veneer edges. I love this stuff because it's so easy to use and mold into shape. I then used a preconditioner on the nightstand to make sure it would absorb all the stain evenly. I then used Mohawk medium brown wipe on stain. I touched up my quick wood epoxy repairs with a paint kit to match the rest of the veneer. And as a reminder, here's the before and here's the finished result. As you can see, the bubbled veneer is now fixed and looking great. It's a super easy process that anyone can do. So check the caption for the full step-by-step and follow to see me restore the matching dresser.